I would have died laughing if
you shit?
Nobody almost did.
You need like a little nausea on the back.
I do. We
Oh, I can't.
I know.
I do it.
You're not going to fall over very far on
What is this? Oh! Put it back together. Go 2 inches to the side.
You're gonna die.